I'm a creature of habit when it comes to my morning routine, and this blueberry banana smoothie is going to rock your world. It's what I drink every morning when I get home from the gym. Okay, first things first, we're gonna make this flax, chia, hemp seed mixture, which is, everyone always tells you to put like protein powder in your smoothies. I don't have time for any of that. So I just make my own little mixture at home. So we'll pour equal parts of hemp seeds. We'll put some chia seeds, some flax seeds. I just put it in a jar because, look. You pop the top on, and then you can just shake it up. Everything gets evenly combined. I feel like a bartender. Every morning, I can just pour a couple tablespoons of this into my blender for my smoothie mix. So good for you. Okay, super easy. I'm just gonna put in a little bit of almond milk. I always use vanilla almond milk, unsweetened. You don't need to add more sugar. We'll just pour in about a cup of that. You could also make your own nut milk, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do that in an upcoming episode. But for today, we're going easy. Some almond butter. You could also use cashew butter, but this is also like a really great source of protein. And then you can just eat it, whatever's left over. We'll put in a whole banana, and then about a cup of frozen blueberries. You could also do raspberries, strawberries, but the purple color from the blueberries is everything. We'll just pop the top on, put it on our smoothie mix. And that's my favorite part about the Vitamix, is it just turns off on its own for smoothies. This is literally my favorite part of every morning. I'm so excited. We just pour it in. By the way, that recipe I just showed you makes 1 serving. Perfect, and all the chia and the hemp and the flax seeds are blend up. Look at that color. It's perfect. So good. Grab the full recipe on whatsgobbycooking.com.